Alright, today we are looking at 6B.2, and 6B.2 says, I can prove triangles are similar by applying the angle-angle similarity theorem. So, we say angle-angle similarity is two triangles are similar when, two triangles are similar when, and remember your similar is just a squiggle, when any two pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. Remember, that's your congruent mark. So when I'm looking at something like this, I can say angle S is congruent to angle N. They have that same marking. Same thing here. Angle R is congruent to angle L. They have the same marking. So now I want to write my similarity statement saying, okay, these two triangles, I have an angle and an angle. That's my two angles. Angle, angle. Makes sense in the name. Mathematicians, again, not creative. So I need to write my similarity statement. So I need to name these triangles. The order matters. I have to say SRT, right? Kind of go in any order for the first triangle is similar to, then I have to match it up with the second triangle. S and M go together. R and L, so L would go second. T and P go together. Okay, so I match them up by their corresponding angle, and then the last two have to match since they're the only two left. So again, the order that you name your triangle in does matter. All right, looking at example 2. The first thing I notice is I have right angles here. Remember, this square is a right angle, and it automatically means they're 90 degrees. So, angle C is congruent to angle F because they're both right angles. Now I have 39 and 51. Those are not equal, but I don't know my third angle here. Anytime you're missing an angle and you don't know if they're similar or not, you're going to have to use that triangle angle sum theorem to solve for it. So I have x plus, again, that one's 90, plus 39 equals 180. Now, again, on the same side, I just combine them. That's x plus 129 equals 180. Opposite sides, I do the opposite. 180 minus 129 is 51 degrees. Well, look at that, right? I have 51 degrees here, and I have 51 degrees there. Angle B is congruent to angle E. Okay. Now I'm going to write my similarity statement. So, triangle, I can go in any order for this one. I'll go in alphabetical order. For my second triangle, I have to match them up. Triangle ABC is similar to, A was 39, right? It's the one that I didn't know, so that's D. B was 51, 51. And then C was right angle. Okay, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Great. Looking at example 3. Okay. The first thing I notice is I do have two congruent angles. I have 45 degrees here and 45 degrees here. Angle R is is congruent to angle B. Angle symbol. So what else can I do to show that I need one more set of angles, right? It's angle, angle. So here if I look, it's kind of like that bow tie shape. Remember, these are your vertical angles. Vertical angles are always congruent. So write it like I draw it. Angle WSR is congruent to angle VSB. Yes, I have these two, right? I have two sets of congruent angles. Angle, angle works. So I have triangle RSW. I like going in alphabetical order. R was 45 degrees, so my angle in the other triangle is B. S was my vertical angle, so S, and my last one is B. So RSW is similar to VSB. Alright, example 4. The first thing I notice is the parallel line marks. Okay, so those lines are parallel. So that means I have these corresponding angles. Draw them like you would write them like you draw them. I have angle CAB is congruent to angle CED. I also have the corresponding angles on the other side. They also touch those parallel lines. So angle CDE is congruent to angle CBA. Again, what order you do it in, I did flip-flop these. It does not matter, right? They're equal no matter which way you write them. There. So now our similarity statement. Our first triangle here, I'm just going to go in order. Triangle A to B to C is similar to, well, A went with E, B went with this one, D, and then C goes with C. Makes sense, okay? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle EBC. All right, our last problem. Again, the first thing I see is that I have a 30-degree angle here and a 30-degree angle here. So angle Q is congruent to angle, it's not an angle symbol, let's say angle T. The next thing I know is I just have two other sets of angles, so I'm going to solve for the third one. Again, using that triangle angle sum. So I have x plus 30 plus 50 has to equal 180. These two are on the same side, so I'm going to just add them together. X plus 80 equals 180. Opposite sides, I'm going to do the opposite. 80 minus 180. My board doesn't like me. I'm going to try and move it up just a little bit. Equals 100. Okay, so this angle here is 100 degrees. Well, that doesn't match and that one doesn't match. I don't have another set of angles here that I can say are similar. I only have one set of congruent angles. I need two sets, angle, angle. So I just say these triangles are not similar. Okay? That will happen. If you only have one set of angles, they're not similar. All right, go ahead and work on B2.